Welcome back, everyone. Today's video we're going to do a little bit of splitting and a little bit of stacking, and I'll probably show you the beaver pond when I get a chance. It's hard to talk over the log splitter, so I'm going to do a voiceover on some of this. Today we're using the 27-ton Dirty Hand Tools log splitter, and we're back at the property, and today's a little bit of splitting and a little bit of stacking. Last fall, me and my son, we split up that big oak tree that tipped over and left the pile right on the ground, so we have to get that moved and stacked today. And this log splitter is a used log splitter that I got off Craigslist, so I really can't do a review on it. All I know is when I bought it, you had to kind of halfway choke it because it would do that surge thing or it'd starve for fuel. So I knew the carburetor needed to be rebuilt or cleaned up. And then funny thing is, I bought it in the fall, and then I stored it with seafoam, and then come springtime, and when it got warmed up, it stopped having that problem. So, I mean, I use seafoam a lot, but that was the first time I actually feel like seafoam actually helped me. Today we're using the Arctic TBX. It's got a 300-pound rating for that dump box. Jamie really enjoys running that log splitter. She wouldn't even let me take over the controls. She just wished it went a little faster. I got an idea. We can get 2 log splitters so I can have fun too. You're going to see me pacing a lot in this video. I get anxious when I see somebody else doing all the work. Can't stand it. I'm starting to take pieces off before she finished even splitting it. One of the reasons I like this TBX is I can get through the woods quicker. So I might have to take multiple trips, but it doesn't ride as bouncy as the tractor, and I can actually go way faster as long as the trailer don't fall off. Well, here's the beaver dam. A lot of water in there. I'd say it's about close to 5 feet tall. And they've been building this ever since I've purchased the property. So this is probably about a good 5 years of building. You can see their beaver lodge or den right there in the middle. They got a pretty good setup here. Like beachfront property for them. Here comes that pile of chips we chipped the last time we were here. Jamie's going to take you on a little trip to the back side of the pond. We got a little vista point there. Straight ahead is that stump right in the middle of the screen there. To the left of that is the trail we cut last year on the Making Trails video. And over here is a turnaround, kind of like a viewpoint of the beaver pond, or the backside of the beaver pond. She's going to turn around right here and come back and help me with the wood. I'm thinking of taking out that stump because it's a straight shot, and sometimes I kind of fly down this trail because it's so straight. I hate to run into that stump going too fast. So this summer I'm going to probably take that out. That's part of owning property, is never a dull moment.
I'll come back. No, I'm just kidding.
I gotta edit that now.
Messing with me?
No, and I saw some spiders.
Oh, yeah, there's always spiders in the woods.
I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this oak tree fell down right after we purchased the property. So I don't know if that was a good sign or not. So far it's been good.